tree at the river bend. We're gonna have a picnic with our friends. Everyone's invited. We're gonna put a blanket down on the ground, and then we'll serve the food, so gather around. It's fun to have a picnic with our friends. Everyone's invited.
We'll go exploring in the wide open space.
Read a book, run a three-legged race.
Climb up a tree and wave to our friends.
Don't want this picnic to ever end. Tomorrow is another day, and it looks like it's gonna be fine. So let's wish on a clover, we can picnic all over again. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. We're gonna have a picnic with our friends. We're gonna